Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to hook up a Mac Mini to a stereo receiver. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to hook up a Mac Mini to a stereo receiver is support.apple.com. See the page titled Connecting Your Mac to a Home Stereo, iPod, iPad, Musical. Here's the link. You can also try store.apple.com, especially the page cable to connect MacBook to stereo, Apple Store, US. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.brighthub.com. The web page learn how to hook up a Mac Mini to a stereo receiver. Here's the link.